roasted chicken, and beside of it I will show how to make Kabuli Pulao made of rice. Let's check it out. So, thanks a lot for staying till now with me. Please make sure that you like and subscribe, everyone. Now, I will cook the chicken with hot water. And the tricky part is, don't waste the water, don't throw away the water, okay? You will need the water for rice, to cook the rice, okay? Please make sure that you don't forget it. Sauce is ready. Mix the tomato, ketchup and chicken tikka ingredient. Okay.
Electric hearts in a city so bright. We're chasing dreams through pixel streams, dancing shadows under glowing beams. Take control, feel the beat, ignite your soul. Colors flash, they paint the air. Hold the moment, nothing compares. Skyscrapers hum a steady tune. Stars colliding under the moon. Our laughter echoes citywide, a symphony where hearts collide. The echo of a fleeting glance, lost in the pulse of a reckless dance. Caught in the glow of fleeting time, a spark of love that feels divine.
Now I use the water for rice that I already cooked the chicken with it. In that way, the rice tastes very delicious. Okay.
Divine. Let the rhythm take control. Feel the beat, ignite your soul. Colors flash, they paint the air. Hold the moment, nothing compares. Electric blue, we're alive tonight. Hearts on fire, burning bright. Keep us glowing, let it stay.
So now everything is ready to serve. Rice, chicken, amazing. Look at the rice. Wow, it looks tasty. So everyone, please kindly like and subscribe. So we will see each other in next video.